Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. And today we are going to learn about how to publish your book in Amazon for free and how you can have the Indian paperback as well. In certain cases, in Indian paperback as well, you can go for free publishing. And how this is going to be possible, I'm going to explain you in detail. So, first of all, to get into this, we need to understand one very important thing is there are certain processes we need to follow. Okay. And there is a platform called as the Amazon platform. So everybody is aware of about this. And in case of Amazon platform, what really happens is it is going to give you that international exposure. That is number one. Number two is it gives you the opportunity to have the e-copy in the KDP version, Kindle Direct Publishing version. You will be getting the e-copy, and that can be done free of cost. And some people, they want that they want to publish their hard copy over there in Amazon, because the hard copy of Amazon is usually not available in India. Indian government or Indian um, press club has not given the permission to Amazon to publish in India. So if you want the Amazon paperback to come to India, so probably you have to get it from Singapore or any neighbor countries, because again that will be very expensive. So that is why to go for the India market. So there are so many publishing houses in India are there. So you can approach them and you can get the Indian paperback. But so far as worldwide physical copy is concerned, Amazon takes care of it. And number two is, so far as e-copy in the KDP is possible, you can do through Amazon. And today we are going to learn all these three aspects. And the number one aspect is, let us start with how you are going to go for the e-copy KDP version now. So there is a stepwise process. So I'm going to explain you one by one. Just give me a moment. I hope you can see my screen. Okay. Okay, so first of all, for doing this, what you need to do is you need to go to the KDP account opening. So you need to open your account in KDP. Okay, and for that I have given you the link over here. So the moment I am clicking on the link, you are getting into the signing in phase. Okay, so since I have my KDP ID and password, I'm able to open it. Had I not got that, then just like Gmail account, you need to open your KDP account as well. Okay, so you can go and find out. It is very easy, and go to that link, and it will ask you the user ID and password. Give the user ID and password, and your KDP account is going to be opened. So that is the first step. After getting into the KDP account, what you're supposed to do is you are getting into the first step that is called as the book shelf. Let's see, click on book shelf. Okay, so let us click on bookshelf. So in this, what you have to do is you have to create the suppose you are new to KDP, then you have to click on create button. Otherwise, what you are going to do is, if you can see I have already uploaded my book. So just like that, you can see here this KDP is there already. So now let us understand how it is going to be done, because I have already done it. So if you want to see how again you are going to do the edit ebook details, I need to go. Once you publish the book, then you can see your book available. Now it is the same formula, whatever you are going to do in the create process. The moment if you are opening, if you are doing for the first time, you can go and click on create. Okay, and when you click on create, then it is going to ask you processes. First of all, it is going to tell you the language part. Okay, so when you get into the language part, then you can choose English definitely. Then you can give your book title over there. Okay, first you can give your book title. So I've given my book title over here. Sometimes people give the subtitle over here along with the title. semicolon also, just like that you can give it. But here I have given the subtitle over there, so it's okay, it's up to you. So you can give the subtitle by just separating with a semicolon, with a colon. Okay. Now it is going to ask you the series. So you are going for a series of books, then you can go for that. So since we are not thinking about a series now, let us keep it like that now. Don't touch it. Then edition number is there. So that is optional. You don't have to give it. Now you can give the author name if you want to give. And if you want to give some contributor's name, you can give over that. Suppose your editor's name or some friend's name with whom you want to do that, you can give over there. Okay. And next, what you are going to do is you are going to write over the description part. Okay. So you can give the description, book description. So usually about the book, whatever you want to write, that you can put it over here. And whatever thing you want to write something specific relating to your book, usually what they do is usually you put the blurb over here. Whatever blurb means about the book, we want to write it down, you can write it down over here. Okay. So you can give a brief description about your book. Next, what you're going to do is the publishing right. The publishing right is what you are having the because it's a self-publishing, so you own the right. So you're not giving it to anybody, right? Next part is the keywords category. So keyword is a very important thing here, and you can give number of keywords, because when you give the keywords, it is going to optimize the search for you, and it will be very easy for you to get the access of your book. So I have used only 7 keywords. You can give hundreds of keywords. So how you are going to give hundreds of keywords? Mind is there. And comma, you can put it as subconscious. Okay. Subconscious. Subconscious. Then you can give that life. You can give subconscious. You can give conscious mind. You can give consciousness. Consciousness. See, a number of things relating to your book. Whatever you want to give, you can give always. Nobody is going to object the things. You can give the things. Some people have used hundreds of keywords. It is up to you. Okay, you can do that. Next case is the categories. So when you are going for categories, here Amazon allows you to give 2 categories. So for that, what you have to do, set categories, you have to go. And the moment you go to your set categories, my book is a non-fiction book. So what I have done is non-fiction book, I know it is in the area of science. So what shall I do? I shall go with health and fitness, house, home, language, law, mathematics, medical, performing arts, pets, philosophy, poetry, political science, religion, science, social science, sports, transportation, travel. All these things are given. So what shall I do here is I will be putting here as science, because this is relating to science. Then I can put it as in science. Let me put it as cognitive science is one of the area that is also there. And if you want to put that in the area of mechanics, nanoscience, physics, suppose I can give physics, scientific instruments, space science, and study, teaching, time, system theory, research methodology. In physics, you can give reference. I want to give as reference. So because I have already given here waves and wave mechanics. So if I want to choose this as a reference also, I can do that. I can take it out from here. I can put it as research and reference books. I can give it here. So I've changed it. So 2 categories I have given. So all these categories are set now. Okay. Cognitive science and this thing, it has happened. So this categories, this gives 2 categories to you. Okay. Now, age and grade range. So if you want to go for age and grade range, so what you can do is you are not going to choose anything in this. This is optional. So I'm not, because some adult books are there, they put that. So if you are going for any pre-order and all, you can go for it. Otherwise, There is nothing pre-order required. Usually don't go for pre-order because certain times what happens is we do not complete that in a stipulated time. And if you have given the pre-order things and you are not completing uploading the book during the pre-order time, then you will be blocked for 1 year. So unnecessarily, I don't want that you should go into this. Then press the save and continue button. Let's see. So the first step is done. Then it will come to the Kindle ebook content. Okay, then it will come to the Kindle ebook content. So in this, mainly what you have to what you're supposed to do is you're going to upload your manuscript. So you can see upload your manuscript here. My manuscript is already uploaded. Suppose I want to upload again. Let me see if I have some copy. Then I will try to put that. Let me see if it is going to take it. But it is again, let's see. I'm just going to upload this. Okay, so I have uploaded this in a different way altogether. So it has been uploaded now, but I want to, okay, so processing your file. Let's see what it is telling. Uploaded successfully. Processing my file. It will take some time because Amazon is going to upload this. So then what I'm doing is I've given my cover page over there. So my cover page is already there. So I have uploaded my cover page. You can have your cover page design. You can go here and upload your cover page here. Okay. So what is the thing? Then once you have uploaded the things, you have to get into the launch previewer. So it is going to give you that launch previewer. What is happening? Let's see. So you can see your book like this. Okay. So once the preview is done, so you can see the launch preview is happening. You can see this, there are a number of pages and everything is there. And you can go back. And you can see your book is done and launch preview automatically it will be done. Now, what is the thing? ISBN is given in Amazon is going to give you its own ISBN, so don't go for anything. Okay, not required because for the e-copy. So for e-copy, this is not required. So save and continue. Okay, let's see what is the thing happening. So this 2-second part is completed. Now you got it into the of these things are over. Now let us get into the third one. So KDP select. So if you go for KDP select this thing, maximize my royalties with KDP select. So don't choose as of now because with KDP select, you can reach more readers, earn money and maximize your things. So, but at this stage, don't get into KDP select because you have to go for Kindle ebooks, no? So what is going to happen is there are certain things people can have access to. Those who are having into Kindle pages and all, they'll get um, some those people who are having account and all, they'll get free of cost. So if you want to give it, it is up to you. It is not necessary. So they can get the things, but you may not get. You may get wider reach, but you may not get the royalty for that. But if you are somebody is buying by paying money, you'll be only getting the royalty. Okay. So then territories, all territories. So we are not putting any restriction. Primary market, Amazon in, I'm putting it as primary market. Okay. So suppose you want to make it as Amazon US, you want to give, you can give that. So, but I'm going with Amazon.com also, you can put it. Amazon.com also, you can put it. Let's put it as Amazon.com. The moment you put it as Amazon.com, what really happens is you can see in dollars it come. And the first priority for Indian market, this is the thing coming. So it is all about pricing and all. You can see whatever you want to put over here, you can put it, and you can press the prices, whatever you want to give, you can do. So initially, what you should do is you should initially you can give the lower price because you need to promote your book, so you want to reach out to maximum people. So I kept it as 99. It is because my book is a little bit old, so I know that people are going to buy because they know me very well and all. But if you are in the initial phase, so you need to keep this as 49 only. Okay, so I hope you got the idea, and accordingly you can put the US market rates. So I kept it as $70. You want to put it as 2.993, whatever it is. And another thing is, if you increase the price of this, then your royalty is also good. So you want maximum royalty, right? So why you go for 35? In the beginning, if you are putting the prices 49 and all, then you'll be getting, you can see the kind of royalty you are getting over here. 50 rupees is the royalty you are getting. That's good, right? So Amazon takes away some amount, delivery cost will be there, and all these things, they take it out. And you get the money as royalty of 50% because they're giving you the 70%. Okay, so I hope you got the things. Then you can give, and you have to give it as US rate. Automatically, other countries' rate are going to be addressed. Suppose I am going to give you, it is as 6, let's say. Let's make it 6. What happens? Automatically, other countries' things are also getting addressed. Okay, so I hope you got the point. Now I can go here and publish your book. That's it. The moment I say publish your book, the Amazon says that, hey man, this book's thing is done, the prices are revised and everything. So for US market, because I kept it as Amazon.com as primary, then this is the thing. But if you go to Indian things, then you will get it. So you can change any point of time, you can do that. So done is the case that you have got. So your book is successfully uploaded, and within 72 hours Amazon gives it, but usually 4 to 5 hours your book gets uploaded. And if at all there is any technical issues and all, Amazon will give the errors and all. I hope that is the first phase that you have got when you are going to go for your Kindle Direct Publishing e-copy. Okay, I hope you got this thing. Then you go for reports. If you go for reports, you'll get the sales report of this. So you can see there are different things, how many sales have happened at which date and all you'll be getting. Suppose you are going for, let's say, थोड़ा बहुत change हो गया, that there are some changes happened over here. Estimated cost, choose your settings, view orders. So it is giving today's order. So I'm not going for today. I'm going for all last month, last 90 days sales and go for. The moment I can see in the last 90 days, I can see some 90 books are ordered over here, e-copies. You can see the report, right? So those are the things that is going to come when you see the reports part. Then you go for marketing. You go to marketing here and you see what are the things. That is KDP Select, I told you, no, where you can, anybody who's having KDP account, they can get and they can read the book for free of cost. Okay. I hope you got, this is not relevant as of now for you. Community is not important for you. Then you can go to your account. You can go to your account and you can see in your account what really happens. Something went wrong, probably. So this is not coming. When you go for your account, you can check it out. If there is an issue in your account, when the payment is not, you're not getting and all, you can go for this. So I don't know what is going to happen. Yeah, fine, fantastic. Now, let's get into again the bookshelf. Okay, I'm going to bookshelf. Then I can go for next level is my paperback. I'll go for the paperback. Okay. In this paperback, edit print books. There are two things. One is Kindle ebook, and this is paperback. Okay, this paperback is relating to Amazon paperback, which will be there across the world other than India. Okay, Indian also they can order, but why they will pay so much of money, transportation cost and everything? It will cost them $20 or all, and instead they can go for it from India. So edit print ebook details you can go there because I have already uploaded, so it will take me there, and you can see my paperback details are coming here. Okay, so here automatically the title of the book and everything will be flowing from whatever you have given in the ebook. Okay, all the details are going to come over here. Okay, so I hope you got it. Authors, everything, it is flowing from that thing, whatever you have given over there. So nothing more to do here. So everything is fantastic here. And here in the case of categories, you want to change it. You can change just like that. You can go to non-fiction, then you want to go for, let's say, I want to change a bit. Mathematics, medical, let me put it as a mathematics, or let me put it as mathematics, okay? Because there are certain things in mathematics I'm having, calculus, algebra, counter complex numbers, differential equations, essays, finite weather, mathematics, game theory, and all these things, functional analysis, group theory, history, philosophy. I can take it as history, philosophy. Let me see. Okay, so you can set the categories as per your issue. So I don't want to change it. It's already there, so why unnecessarily I'll change it? You want to go for anything. Suppose you want to go for health and fitness, or you want to go for, let's say, let us get into not mathematics. That is not mathematics. Medical, performing arts, philosophy. Let's get into philosophy, photography, psychology. Let me get into psychology because this is relating with mind. So I'm putting it as a psychology. So something will be there in psychology. Definitely mental health is there. Okay, in psychology. And I have, let's say emotions also. Here something is there. So I cannot do that because only two categories I can choose. So one of the category has been taken out. So you can put it as same. So your category is body, mind, spirit, inspiration, personal growth, psychology, mental health. So that is what is given already. So I don't want to change. So you want to do it, you can do that. Okay. Then you go to categories, added content and all, content language and all. You can know that. You can choose no. Okay. So you got that point. Now put the save button and go ahead. Great. So we have completed the process. Then get a KDP ISBN. So here, what is the thing is, you will get the Amazon ISBN directly. Amazon gives it, so no need to worry. So don't give your own ISBN here. Let Amazon do it. Okay, it is giving, to why we should bother about. Then it comes with publication date. Then everything you can give it over here. And you can give whatever glossy paper or matte finish or whatever you want to give. So usually I can give it as with cream paper or white paper you want to give. So mine is already given, the print option is black and white interior with white paper. So I kept it, so it's not allowing me to change. So already it is there, so I don't want to do anything. So you can choose from cream paper sometimes, whatever paper you want to do, you can choose. So I've taken as a black and white. Trim size 5x8, I have kept it. No bleeding means sideways, there should not be anything, okay? In the word things, we are not giving any bleeding option. Bleeding means that margins will be that side, and some other things are coming out there in the side margin. Then that is called as the bleeding area. Excessive things that we are not able to capture. So don't think about that. Put no bleed. Okay. And you can go, have gone for glossy finish. You can go for matte also. This looks also good. Some books. Then manuscript is already uploaded. You can take out your manuscript and you can upload it. And similarly, the cover, you must be having your Amazon sized cover that you're having. that also I'm having. So upload, you can do that just like you have done. Then you can click on launch preview. So already I'm having the thing, so I have not changed anything. So you can, whenever you put a launch previewer over there. So the prices printing cost is 4.21, and all these prices are given over there. So whatever prices you want to give, you can give across the country. Your price of the book is reflecting here. Okay. So let us get into the next phase. Okay. Now you can see here territories, primary marketplace, and everything. Rate is given here. Okay. So you have given as 9.99. Your printing cost was given. So 9.99%. That is a decent rate across the thing. You want to keep it as a lesser rate, 6.99 or 7.99. See, accordingly, you will be getting your royalties and all. So you can think of this. You want to change. See, only one price you need to give, and rest of the prices are going to be adjusted accordingly. So everything is done. So then I have kept it as publish your book. Okay. So I have mentioned about now what are the things I told you. I told you, so everything is fantastic. You can see, then you can put the done thing. Okay. If any error is there, then Amazon is going to tell you. So what are the things I have told you? Everything, right? KDP monitoring, I told you. Then KDP account opening, I told you. Then how to publish the things I told you. I think I have covered each and every part of it. Let me see if I have missed out something. So the first part is this. So you can see my screen now. The first thing, pricing, everything I have told you in this case. Now let me enter into this phase wherein steps to publish your book in India paperback. Now, I hope everybody is having that clarity in Amazon. But apart from that, before getting into that, let me tell you about the categories a bit. And suppose in Amazon, if you have any queries, let me explain you that if you have any queries in Amazon. So if you want to go to any queries in account, then you can go to this help, click here help. Then in this help, you can go to contact us. Go to contact us here. And here, all your things are going to be addressed. Amazon store and this thing. So here, if you click, you can get all the information, look inside the book, search results, availability, Amazon categories, like a print Kindle editions, then pricing related issues. Let's see what are the customer reviews. Everything you are going to get over here. Okay, expanded distribution and everything. Suppose you want to change, even Amazon gives you the category part. In this, if you want to go, you can see different categories given. So as per your categories, you can also change the things, whatever categories you want to get in, you can go there and you can find out the categories as well. Okay. So there are many points here. So you can just try to explore the things and you can find it out over there. So mostly the contact us, the basic thing of contact us is you need to reach out to people. So here you can see what are the things. Suppose pricing related issues, ads, move from category KDP, select pricing. So let's see in the pricing, price matching, get the help from this. Here it is not there. Okay. If that manager books and says account taxes and getting started. Proof of author copies, format recruitment, and Amazon stores and all. Okay. Product details. You can get link your print and Kindle. Suppose you want to link your paperback to your ebook. So you want to do that, then you can do that over here. Okay. And you can chat also. You can talk to them and you can call us. They can arrange a call to you and you can find it out. So this is the way to reach out to Amazon as well. Okay. So everything is given here. Here also, I believe you want to chat with them. That is also, I believe, is there. You want to contacting us. Why are you contacting us? You can send a message to them in contact and whatever things you want to change it, you can talk to them. Okay, so these are the things that you can do in Amazon, and you can change the categories as per your requirement. You want to reach out to Amazon for something, they'll give it. So I believe so far as KDP, Amazon KDP, paperback and ebook is concerned, I have covered each and every part of it. I don't think I have any doubt now. Okay. Now, what I need to do is I need to go to the next part of this, wherein I'll be talking about the Indian paperback. Indian paperback. Okay. Let me share the screen with you. So this part is over. Now let me go to the, sorry, here I've written ISBN, there is a printing error. Okay, sorry, the ISBN is written over there. So you can, okay, let me correct the spelling. Let me correct here only what is my unnecessarily. Okay, so I got it. So now share the screen and see the screen here. Okay, so I'm sharing the screen mode. So here you are going to get the first thing is for when you are going for Indian paperback, the first thing is you need to get the ISBN. Earlier it was taking some 3 weeks time and all. Now it is becoming very fast. People are getting in 24 hours the ISBN. So now the ISBN is not an issue at all. So usually, there are some printing press number and all these things are given. And there are some technicalities that is being given. You can go to ISBN site and you can find it how to get the ISBN from Indian government. Because the government of India gives, so that is called International Standard Book Number. So this is the identity of your book. So earlier it was given with the printer number and all. You are going to print with some thing. So usually that is being given. So you can give the printer number. What is there? You can give that, right? So there is no problem. You can give any printer number and you can do that. Okay. And if it is changed now, please check it out. But usually it was given earlier. Now next is when you are going for any publishing. First of all, you need to have the cover design and formatting with you. See, cover design, anyways, you can do it outside in places like Fiverr and what is that, Upwork. These are the places you'll get a lot of people. There are so many people you can go there, you can find out. So I don't want to give because there is no necessity because you go there, you can find the reviews over there. Who has got the better review, you can see. They will charge you hourly and all. So there are some charges. It is very nominal amount. They will do that. They will give you 2-3 free trials and all. And probably you can go for that and you can do the cover design over there. Or if you want to have a professional designer in India, you want to find out, you want, through some press, some publishing house or something, you can approach them. There are many cover page designers. So that costs between 1,000 rupees, 800,000 to it goes up to 10,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees also, depending on the requirement of your thing, how much customization you need it. Okay, so you don't spend that much of money in cover design. Reserve that money so that you can do for your publicity and all promotion. Okay, and next is the formatting has to be done. Formatting is nothing but the aesthetic part of it, how the alignments have to be done, how the chapters, sub-chapters should appear, and it's a beautification and all. So I always say that go for formatting, to a professional formatting guy. And there are tools also, formatting tools. You can directly upload over there and you can get into. Probably whenever I'll be making a video on formatting, I'll be telling you how to do the free formatting and all. And apart from that, cover design you want to do from Canva, there is a separate recording that is available, so you can go. So you don't have to give it to anybody, you can do that. Okay, so there is no such problem. I hope this clarifies the things to you. Okay. Next, approach any publisher here for publishing the things. I have seen there are some places that are charging very nominal amount. Some are charging 3,000, some are charging 4,000. Some people are charging a little bit more. They have packages and all. They give a lot of formatting, cover design, and every aspect. Some charges 10,000, some charges 15,000 and all. But if you have done your cover design and if you have done your formatting and everything you have done, then give it to Notion Press. Notion Press, what they do is they do your publishing free of cost. So you don't have to pay anything. So for cover design, you can see my video. Okay. And you can do your own cover design. And you want to do the formatting too. So I'm planning to make a formatting video for that so that you can utilize that free of cost. You can do the formatting. But precision and all, definitely that requires some experienced hand and professional hand. So it is up to you if you have a lot of pictures, illustrations and all, but I suggest you spend some money and go to a publishing house and do the things properly. So you have all the options available with you, so you can take up anything for it. Okay, but still there is an option always to go for free of cost, complete thing free of cost. You can do that as well. So get the listing done in Amazon, Flipkart. So if you are giving it to the publishers, they will do the listing over there. Suppose you want to do for a self-publishing. Suppose you have some publishing house, you have everything you have done, and you have given it to a publishing house. I mean, you have given to a press, so they have printed the copies, and you can have a seller account, Amazon seller account. You can open, and you want to parcel it from your house. You want to sell it, you sell it. Okay, so Amazon fellow will come and take the book from you. That's all. So you can have your own seller account and you can sell it. So that is called as the self-publishing. You don't have to depend on anybody for that. Your own publishing things, your own book, your own rights, you're selling your own, you are earning your own money. So you are not depending on anybody. So you have every data, everything secure with you. So you have all the options available with you. So my only thing I wanted to tell you is you can do free of cost everything. But Amazon seller account, probably it costs you a little bit more money, some 2000 rupees. I don't know Amazon seller account, but it's not necessary that you are going to sell only book over there. Okay, so you can sell so many things when you have a seller account. And so far as the pricing is concerned, it is completely your discretion. It is completely your discretion. Okay, so far as the pricing part, you can see some outside noise, so just ignore that. Baby is crying. So the pricing part is concerned, it is completely your take. Some people say that you can put your price of the book at a very higher side and all 700, 800, 900 rupees. But it is again, I can say it's up to you. I kept my book price as 499. Now the price is running as 399 and all. So I prefer to go for 499 because I am going for hardbound copy. I want that rich look. And I believe if I'm giving a good thing, so people will take, they don't mind paying it. So it's completely your discretion and all. I don't want to get into that area. Some people just say that, okay, 1,000 rupees, 999, you put the charge. You can put it, it is up to you. I don't have anything to say. But if you put the lower cost, the chances of getting your book available at a lesser price will be very easy. And you can see some roadside also your books will be available and people they don't want to pay 1,000 rupees in the roadside, right? But the moment your book reaches roadside, you can think that your book is highly popular book. Okay, so I hope you got the clarity on this, how you are going to go for your publishing and all. I hope everything is clear. And if you have any problem or any issues, always you can reach out to me. I forgot to put my number over here. You can reach out to me. You can WhatsApp me with 7894 939 662. Okay. So I will be responding to your things if you have any doubt. Thank you very much. I hope this video is very much useful for your knowledge. Thank you very, very much. So let me stop the screen and stop the recording.